What's up, folks? It's your boy Coach Ty back at you with another one. And in today's video, we have the hand side plank. Some tips, tricks, how-tos, how to get the most out of every single set. Let's get straight into it. Here we go. As usual, we're starting with the setup. So of course, you'll hop onto your side, place your hand onto the ground. Now you've got a couple of options with your feet. You can either stack your feet one on top of the other, or you can go with a more staggered stance. I personally prefer the staggered stance because it makes balancing a whole lot easier. However, if you want to add an additional, balance challenge to the exercise, you can go with the stacked feet. Now from here, you're just gonna pick your hips up off the ground and you're gonna hold in this position. Now, as you're fatiguing, what's gonna start to happen is your hip is gonna start sagging to the floor. So make sure you do not let your hips sag. You're trying to maintain this straight line from head to toe in a nice rigid position. This is another of the exercises that I always like doing and having clients do in front of a mirror so they can keep an eye on those hips and make sure they're not sagging as they fatigue. Now, once you're doing roughly 20 seconds comfortably on each side, time to start progressing. You can do this relatively easily by just throwing a dumbbell onto your hip to load the exercise. You also can walk your hand further out. Now, this can be very difficult on the shoulder joint, so be very careful with this. But the more distance there is from your hand to your toe, the more challenging the exercise is going to be. However, when you're just starting out, I would suggest straight line from shoulder to hand. Hand directly under the shoulder, straight line at the arm. That's it for today's video, folks. Thanks for listening and watching as always. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Check us out in your app store, MuscleWiki, iOS and Android. I'm Coach Ty, and I will see you with the next one. Deuces.